I heard about patient and public involvement, and it gave me a real sense of purpose.
Research is where hope starts. We're doing it to transform lives. We're doing it to improve cancer outcomes.
There is something in the power of us feeling seen and heard and valued, which will aid research.
At Oxford Cancer, we want to put the patient voice and the lived experience of cancer right at the heart of what we do, because it makes for better research and better researchers. And of course, if patients are involved at the outset, it means that the impact will be felt in the clinic as quickly as possible.
I was invited along to meet with a group of researchers who'd found some pretty amazing things out about colorectal cancer.
There were several different angles that we could have taken our research further, and then we put those different angles and those ideas to the patient group.
We told them what was important to us in terms of detection, in terms of early diagnosis, in terms of kinder treatments, and obviously ultimately better survival.
It was an unbelievably useful afternoon.
It was so positive that they weren't going to assume that they knew this is what people wanted.
A group of us got together and thrashed out a few ideas about what we thought were going to be the most important aspects of research to improve the lives of myeloma patients. It was very motivating, very inspirational, so definitely a good experience.
For me, I think
science can be very hard, it can be very disappointing, and it's hard to maintain motivation throughout that. Engaging with patients within your research reminds you of why it's important what it is you're doing and really helps maintain that motivation.
Every time I meet with researchers, it reminds them that, behind every cell they work with, behind every piece of data they work, there's a real person.
As a clinician, I see patients on a daily basis, but my lab team are basic scientists who spend most of the day in the lab and at their desk. And the feedback that we've got from the patient groups gives them a sense that what you're doing is a worthwhile process in patients' eyes.
One of the studies that I'm involved in is the ethnicity in breast cancer study. I'm really excited to think about how we communicate with that community so that they are more body aware, that we remove some of the shame and stigma around regular mammograms or self-examination so that we can provide the information that's needed in a way that that community would like to receive it and reduce the number of deaths that we have from breast cancer within that community.
We're passionate about involving patients and public in the key decisions about what research we do and how we do it, not just improving upon decisions we've already taken.
Meeting the researchers keeps them focused, it keeps them driven.
I think it's an eye-opener.
somebody says, oh yeah.
They listen to us, we listen to them, and you feel part of the team.
If you've been affected by cancer, either personally, as a carer, or through a family member, or you're a cancer researcher, we'd love to hear from you. We'd love to bring you together to make the best possible research in the coming years, to accelerate discovery and bring forward progress in the clinic.